So, believe it or not, this is not a BTS unboxing channel, but here we have another box. Oh, Japanese newspaper. So I ordered from a different retailer, the Japan Fanclub, 7net, and Universal versions of the albums, just to get one copy of the photo cards. So let's take a look. These are freebies, I guess. They've printed off the photos of the photo cards. Fuji color printer paper. And I don't think I showed this in my first unboxing, but this does have 2 CDs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's take a moment. Last time Jungkook came out last, but here he is surprising us in the first album. This is beautiful, and let me check which version this is. So yes, this is the Universal version, and it comes with 2 photo cards. This is the Face Yourself version and the Fake Love Airplane Part 2 version. Okay. Woo, okay. JK giving me a heart attack right from the beginning. And then this must be the 7net version. It's got the like sandy peach tones and same 2 CDs. Let's take out the booklet since I've not opened this before yet. And it's got lyrics in the back and a group photo. Jin! Jin's version of the 7net is Map of the Soul 7, The Journey, and this is Lights, Boy with Love. So nice, so pretty. Very nice. Okay, and in here there's this photo, and then it goes straight into the lyrics. Okay. Now for the Japan Fanclub version. Again, it has that resealable packaging, which is nice for protecting the album. And it has this really nice photo book. So this is like the sleeve case. And, sorry, everything's not in frame. Let's try to get this in frame. Okay, so here is the Japan Fanclub version. It comes with, this feels like sticker sheets. I think it comes with 2 sticker sheets, and I think there's photo cards in here too. 2 CDs and this really nice photo book. This is why I wanted the Japan Fanclub version. Yay! Yoongi! Dear Yoongi. So there's the photo card pull, Yoongi in the front. And then we'll just flip through this photo book. Okay, we've got lyrics here. I need to learn Japanese. And then, oh. Wow. Yes, I definitely needed this photo shoot in this large size. Oh my gosh. So this is the best of photo shoot, like the camper van desert version. We've got really nice close-up photos of everyone. Everyone's looking so good. Yoongi attacking us with the guitar. Taeyoungi! And then this like purple version. Wow, this is a really nice photo book. Jin. Looks like they're wearing Dior, according to the pin on. No, that's Chanel. But RM's lapel had a Dior pin on it. And then, yes, some photos from their other Japanese album photo shoots. Interview in Japanese! I'll have to look up translations for that. Cool. I don't know their like Japanese like activities or like their album as well, so this is really good to see. Aww. I think it's the same photo. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to this color for Jungkook's hair. This is sort of new for me. Ooh! And this is the lights version. Everyone looks so bright and clear. And then the black and white map of the Soul 7 journey. Aww. Yay! This is a really nice set. I'm glad I ordered this separately. Alright, thank you so much for watching everyone. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you next time. Bye!